This is how to remove the door trim here. We'll start with these three. 1, 2, 3. See, there's a little tab right here. That off. 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 Now we'll go for this big guy right here. Start here, then do the sides, and then we'll get the big black one. There we go. There we go. Sides. There we go. Pop that right off there. One thing to remember when popping this one off, there's 2 plugs going into this cargo light and this cargo light. So once you get it popped all the way down, lower it a little bit, it'll be dangling from these wires. Be sure to unplug it. Start at the sides here. Yes, let's remove that first, of course, There we go. Tuck that back up in there. All right, now let's keep going. There we go. There we go. Go. There we go. Bam. Alright, there we go. Alright, 2 wires like I was saying. Right here. Remove this guy. Always pull on the plug, not the wire. There we go. All right, next we're going to remove this pinch sensor. This right here is what determines if there's a blockage and your door won't be able to shut. This is an 8mm. Bunch of these little snaps. Here. Looks like that's all it took. Alright, looks like it's still suspended by this wire right here. Let's see, yep, right there. So let's be careful about how we drape this so we don't break that wire. There we go. This little grommet just popped right out. And those wires are right in here. This multicolored plug right here, and then this red and black plug right here. Actually, pull that out. And let's see if we can just pull it out. We'll see if we can get it out of here. Yep, pretty dang easy. Pulling right out. Excellent. Alright, so we're going to be removing the strut, so this will probably want to fall down, so get you a piece of lumber or something, prop this door up. Let's see, I'm sure this should work just fine. Looks like a perfectly good spot right there. There we go. And 2 10mm and 2 10mm right here. The new one comes with this, and I believe this will just snap right in. Let's make sure we get the right side here. Alright, easy done. This one would be like this. Right there, excellent, excellent. Let's break these loose. Oh, we got it coming here. This one might not be so easy. What tool will I use for you? Alright, there we go. It's a little bit of a wobbly action you can get in there. Universal wobbler. I can get my fingers on that now. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Alright, I'm anticipating that'll lift right out. Let's go ahead and loosen this top one first. One. I guess my lumbar is here supporting it. I still can't help myself from wanting to grab it with my hand. That's, oh Jesus. Oh yeah. Here's my game plan. I'm gonna let this compress a little bit without breaking that, of course. I'm gonna, there we go. Excellent. Yeah, definitely need that lumber in there. All right, excellent. That'll be much easier. There we go. Let's not confuse this with my good one. All right, we got her all installed. Plug it back in. One, two, deadening material. Take this out of the way so it wouldn't get pinched.